Kajingkan no but kajingkan tho jong Union Home Minister u Amit Shah ha kajing alang yalap election jong u hatura ha katayo baladap kabau ong baka Meghalaya kade kajala ka bamsap tam hapo kari India kala pli lat lenti yak Trinamool Congress ban kentui ka Sorkar National Democratic Alliance baka Devan Shimkhia badle da ka kam da ka pa tokit hakikan hon tokit ki baju tokit halor ki kam bamsap Habakran sikilat pathai kubor nohelam ka TMC hajalla u Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong. U Amit Shah u Devan Shimkhia bat kini ki kambam sap ki badon hapo ka jalla bat ban pa tokit ban shuhe tangkania Henry ban le dakakam.
I would like to urge the Union Home Minister who is still in Meghalaya engage in his campaign, election campaign, to take cognizance of this particular instance of corruption, the instance of alleged corruption. Let there be an immediate investigation and let there be necessary process of law. We all understand that only when there is a fear for law, there is a self-regulation. Now, if people can engage in this kind of alleged corruption with impunity, then we also have to have doubts about the sincerity of those who are enforcing the law of the land. The onus of the responsibility lies with everyone. We have raised on a number of occasions, various other instances, this whole instance of repeated corruption, whether it's the issue of the alleged corruption in Subhaikyas, the alleged dome collapse, then the smart meters came, and now the Meghalaya land scam. People must come together and see that the people who are engaged in looting the state with complete impunity must be taken to task. It's a time when people should decide whether Meghalaya should still have this infamous take of being the corrupt state or want to free the state from this infamous take of being the number one corrupt state.
Ask the Chief Minister of Assam, because you have urged the Indian Home Minister to take cognizance regarding the alleged corruption cases in Meghalaya. But according to him, he said it's up to the people to take action against the NDA government. What is your take on it?
You see, you cannot have different parameters for different people. Okay? You cannot have different parameters for different people. No. The law of the land must prevail. It's simple. If somebody is saying that, okay, the law has to be left to the mandate of the people is to ensure that you have a government which receives the mandate of the people, means people's government. Now what we are talking now is that 18 to 23, the forged alliance, okay, that gave birth to this Meghalaya deceitful alliance government is a baby of the BJP. They are responsible for this alliance. Therefore, I can understand the pain of the BJP leadership. I can understand their pain because they are directly or indirectly involved in everything. If they are going to walk the talk, then they must act. Yes, they must act. You have to understand that number of alleged instances of corruption pertain to subjects which is in the union list, not in the state list. And we are saying that number of instances of these alleged corruptions attracts those provision of law which are cognizable offense. What do you mean by cognizable offense? Cognizable offense means once it is brought to the notice, they have to act. They have to take cognizance. So today, I want that this particular landscape, which is indicated by the figure that we have shared, there's no dearth of evidence that can be collected to ultimately draw a conclusion. Therefore, the government must act. We will pursue this matter tooth and nail and ensure that the interest of the state is protected, come what may. Interest of the state, interest of the people will be protected by TMC Meghalaya. That is what we promise the people of the state. We want to ensure that we free our state from this infamous tag of being the #1 corrupt state in the country, along with the people of the state. I know that the people of the state would like to free our own beautiful state from this infamous tag of #1 corrupt state.
BJP promises to empower the people of Meghalaya by implementing the 7 Pay Commission for all government employees and formulating an anti-corruption task force. This 27th February, vote for a stronger BJP for a stronger Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya. Power cut free Meghalaya. Congress is committed to providing 24/7 uninterrupted electricity to every home and industry in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya TMC kan Wanlam Shapi ka Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kani ka scheme on pen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khar hajating kashi snap shaki kin thei haman la kilong yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urempang Shan ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.